Hello guys, welcome to my fact channel. So today I am going to study about acceleration due to gravity and gravity constants difference between. Now we will learn about the difference between both acceleration due to gravity and gravity constants. Now you will subscribe my channels to see my new videos and give me notification and give me comment to other videos to see. Now let's start. Acceleration due to gravity. Difference between between acceleration due to gravity and gravitation constant. Today, today we will discuss the difference between acceleration due to gravity and gravitational constants. Acceleration due to gravity is denoted by g, while small g, while gravitational constant is denoted by capital G. Now let us start difference between. Here we will know difference between both of them and describe today. Now, acceleration due to gravity is denoted by small g. This is small g. छोटा g लिख रहा है. Gravitational constant is denoted by capital G. Now, first difference between acceleration due to gravity and gravitational constant is acceleration. That is acceleration of a falling acceleration of a falling body towards the earth without any without okay, without any resistance is known as acceleration due to gravity. Here any body is falling toward the earth. Here any body is falling toward the earth. That means any body, that is mango or any other objects falling from upper to the surface of the earth without any resistance is known as acceleration due to gravity. While gravitational constants while gravitational constants is an inverse constant gravitational constant inverse constants if of course if the force of gravitation between two TW unit masses placed in a unit place is known as gravitational constant. देखिए जैसे कि gravitational constants means two any body that means two equal bodies that masses is 1 kg or 1 kg or their distance will be 1 meter apart. You know gravitational constant, it is always constants forever. It is always constant. It does not change from place to place. While second difference between is acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity is difference from place to place. While the acceleration due to gravity is different from place to place on the Earth's surface. While gravitational constants, gravitational constant is constants. Always it is always constants. It does not change with changing the place, but it change with changing the place or area. Third is the value of, देखिए यहाँ पे here is some, the value of acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meter per second square on the surface of Earth. And here the gravitational constant value is is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Here are three difference between gravitational acceleration due to gravity and gravitational constants. First one is acceleration due to falling of a body, here without any resistance on the body of the Earth due to gravity. While gravitational constant is a universe of force which is between two masses placed in a unit places is known as gravitational constant. While acceleration due to gravity is differ from place to place on the surface of the Earth. While gravitational constant is always constants. And third one is the value of acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meters per second square. It is on the value of Earth, average value of Earth acceleration due to gravity on the body of Earth is 9.8 meters. So while gravitational constant is 6.67 into 10 power minus 11. The acceleration value acceleration due to gravity is surface of Earth is here 9.8 meters per square, and the moon is another, and the Jupiter is another. There is different value of acceleration due to gravity. While gravitational constant is always constant forever. That this much for today. Now you can subscribe my channels and give notification bells that you watch new videos related to it and take advantage of this. Thanks for this much for today.